Hey everyone, my name is Clayton Brassfield. I did my career profile on marriage and family therapist. This is actually a career that I want to do, and I'm excited to be able to share the things that I've learned about it with all of you. The work environment of a marriage and family therapist, they usually work full-time hours. Some may even work in the evenings or on weekends. And they work in a lot of different settings, such as mental health centers, substance abuse treatment centers, and hospitals, as well as private practices and employee assistance programs. I like this career because it's also very family friendly, since they have typical full time hours. Especially if it's a private practice, you could make your own hours, which would be nice. Some of the typical stressors that come up with this job. One family therapist that I found that had a blog said that there was burnout, working odd hours, dealing with crisis, stuck cases, stress, vicarious trauma, and of course the one directional nature of the therapy relationship. Therapists give emotional time and energy to clients but do not receive it back. Those are the main stressors that I found in my research. And those are some of the things that I think would be really difficult. But at the same time, as a marriage and family therapist, you have a lot of different avenues to be able to deal with that and a lot of different resources. The typical benefits are that it is full-time, so you can receive benefits like medical insurance and paid vacations and holidays and even retirement plans. So pretty much the basic benefits that you would get with most full-time jobs. Some of the common job tasks are helping people to manage their problems with family and other relationships, encouraging clients to discuss emotions and experiences, helping clients to process reactions and adjust to difficult changes in their life, such as divorce and layoffs. You can guide clients through the process of making decisions about their future, and you help clients develop strategies and skills to change their behavior and to cope with difficult situations. You also have the ability to refer clients to other resources and services that are in your community, things like support groups or treatment facilities. And you also need to maintain confidential files and mandated records. Some of the educational requirements that you need are to get a master's degree in psychology or marriage and family therapy or any related field. All states require that you take a marriage and family therapist test to be licensed. So you need to have a master's degree, and you need to have 2 to 4,000 hours of post-degree supervised clinical experience. So that's usually an internship or residency. And you also have to pass the state recognized exam and complete the annual continuing education classes. The starting salary that marriage and family therapists have is about $31,600, and you can receive up to $81,960 on the higher end. The median is usually around $49,000. Some important qualities that the Bureau of Labor Statistics pointed out were that you need to have compassion, interpersonal skills, listening skills, organizational skills, and speaking skills. Another fun fact, I guess, that I wanted to mention was something that one of the teachers on campus told me, Brother Ratcliffe. He talked about how marriage and family therapists are trained to work with multiple people, whereas other types of counselors are only trained to work with one person. But as a marriage and family therapist, you are working with couples or families, and so you're specifically trained to work with more than one person at a time. And that's something that I thought was a really cool thing, and another thing that really interested me in becoming a marriage and family therapist. One organization that's in the Rexburg area is the Integrated Counseling and Wellness organization, and it's in Rexburg. So that's my presentation on a marriage and family therapist. Thanks.